This is the ham cooking show with me,
Nick. His name is Nick. Remember?
I forgot my name.
His name is Nick and my name is Al. Nick and Al.
And today we are making
This.
ham, cheese, mayonnaise, and spinach.
Yeah, that's right. But you take the spinach from my sandwich.
First of all, you will need mayonnaise, baby spinach, either normal or sesame seed buns.
I have sesame seed. Nice ham.
Ham, thin is good.
And Munster cheese.
Munster cheese.
We used to call it monster cheese.
No, he used to call it monster cheese.
Whatever.
Okay. Oh, and here's an optional thing. A little toothpick flag. This one says yay.
We're gonna put that in the sandwich.
Like,
we'll keep it in our sandwich
like
for an
this.
example. Yay!
Yay.
Okay, yeah. Happy us.
Okay. Now I'm going to lower the camera so you can see our cooking. Alright. In the middle.
Scoot it up a little bit.
Nah, you can see. Alright. Now, first you need a plate. And we're sort of running out of the plain buns, so we're going to use sesame seed.
Sesame seed is always good. Gives it a little crunch.
Crunch is awesome.
Especially on a sandwich.
Alex, go get a, one of those jagged knives. Oh,
Steak
you need
knife?
a butter knife. Yeah. And if I didn't tell you already, you need a butter knife.
Oh yeah, we already got one. Butter knife and a
I was
stick
talking
knife.
to them.
I know.
This is a steak knife. I thought it was just a sharp one.
They're called steak knives.
Oh well.
Should I go get the one we're making this for?
No.
Okay.
Oh, and at the end of the video, we will reveal a secret snack that we think would go good with it. Okay, now you can put away this knife.
Don't need it anymore.
Take your
Hellman's mayonnaise.
mayonnaise.
It's light mayonnaise.
Hellman's light mayonnaise.
Not normal.
Take it. Just spread it around.
On one or two slices.
On either the bottom bun or both the bottom and the top bun. We'll go with both.
Just to get the mayonnaise flavor in there.
Mayo. There's no point in putting mayonnaise on it if you can't taste it.
Yeah. Just makes it creamy and weird tasting.
Okay. I always lick this.
I love doing that. If your parents tell you, ignore them. Because our grandma does it. Yeah, I can tell she's
Alex,
told...
did that make any sense?
Yeah, but he told Mom.
Okay, next, you take your ham. Take
2 slices.
2 slices out. Fold them in half, like so. Put them
and just put them
on the bun.
I always like to put them on the bottom bun.
And then you take your Munster cheese. Take 1 slice, put that on top. Take another 2 pieces of ham.
Lots of ham.
Well, it depends on how thin they are. If they're thick, then only take 1 slice. It's kind of hard to take this out.
Then fold them in half.
Oh.
I want one.
Fold them in half.
Like so.
Put it right back on top. Now you can put the ham away.
Oh, I accidentally took two.
I'll let you do that, Al.
Sure, Nick.
Next, you take one more slice of cheese. Put that on top. And now you can put the cheese away too.
And I'll be right back.
Put the cheese away when you get back. Next, you take out the baby spinach. This one's kind of hard to open. Baby spinach. Just spread it out on top of the cheese. Evenly. And then put the top bun on top.
Alright, I'm back.
And put the cheese away.
Oh, yeah.
Now, you take your little flag. Quiet. Well, when I'm talking. Take your little flag, poke it on, and there you have it.
There it is. A yummy Sandy.
And that's how you make the ham Munster bun ham Munster bun mayonnaise and spinach
Baby spinach.
sandwich. See you later.
The snack is
The
original.
secret
raisins.
snack is craisins.
Original. I'll put some on the side here.
Put some craisins on the side of your sandwich.
If you can get them.
Yummy craisins. And there you have it. Super sandwich.
With a snack.
See you later.